Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch someone Instagram story without them knowing, right? So basically, you can just if you want to watch a story of Instagram, and if you just access through the Instagram, that person will come to know that you have watched the story of that person, right? Very easily. But for example, that if you want to watch the someone Instagram story without them knowing, there is a very less possibility for that, but I will try to show you a solution. So you have to just go to the account of that person. You have to just copy, share, click on the share this profile. And basically I'm showing you that, copy the profile URL. And after that, just go to the profile Google Chrome, and here you have to paste the link. And it will just open, and you have to just wait for a few seconds till it get open. And here you don't have to log in into your account. And after that, you can just you can see the story of that person. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.